Your ground forces, as we've seen your crane at the front, they're very, very vulnerable to autonomous systems. We saw the trends. There was two powerful trends that are really changing our society. That's the widespread adoption of AI and the widespread adoption of autonomous systems. Your ground forces, as we've seen your crane at the front, they're very, very vulnerable to autonomous systems. I mean, the drone has become the dominant weapon of war. And that means that your command posts have to be smaller. They have to be dispersed. They have to be, agile. They want to help build these solutions, build these capabilities, build the type of things, work with companies like, ALE that are building better batteries, that are building more energy dense batteries, because that solves a, when we talk about fielding large number of autonomous systems, like I just talked, and field them in distributed fashion, and enable a whole lot of the concepts that the defense forces are looking at. We need new technologies, better solutions, and we need to build the logistics infrastructure, the logistics architecture that is able to sustain that and is able to be agile and adapt to what the adversary, because the adversary is going to target our logistics first and foremost. So that's what we're trying to do, is kind of transform, become the core energy model across all these systems and make them more intelligent and makes them do more with the finite resources they have available.